प्रयागराज में महाकुंभ के अंदर देश और विदेश से सैलानी दर्शनार्थी पहुंचे हैं और उसमें सबसे खास जिन व्यक्ति पे मेरी नज़र पड़ी वो थे सुरुष, जो डेनमार्क से आए हुए हैं। सुरुष, यू आर वेरी ब्यूटीफुल, बड़ा कलरफुल आपने मेकअप किया है, स्पार्कल लगाए हुए हैं, बालों पे फूल हैं और बड़ा कलरफुल सा आपका ये अम्ब्रेला है। व्हाट डू यू हैव टू से, व्हाट डू यू हैव टू से अबाउट योर लुक? गिव अस, टेल अस सम ब्रीफ अबाउट योर लुक।
ओम श्री सच्चे महाप्रभु की जय हो। नमस्कार प्रभु। हाँ, this is wonderful to be part of the oldest and most sacred gathering on earth and the biggest, to awaken everyone everywhere for the beauty, for the love, for the work of Paramatma. This is why we're here together. And this is an offering. This is me saying, I love you. I love you with all of my heart and soul. I want everyone to prosper on earth so that we may go inside and reach the highest of the highest. So when these umbrellas spin, they spin Om Bhur Bhuvar Swatasavitur Renyam Bhagavad Vashadi Mahidi Ornaha Prachodayat. May everybody wake up. Everybody. You and I.
So have you taken a holy dip?
Yes. Just a couple of hours ago, we had the good honor of being in the Sangam.
Okay. And how long have you been here? It's been 2 weeks now?
2 weeks, yes.
It's been 2 weeks?
Yes.
And this is your 18th time in India?
Yes, this is true.
So what attracts you more that you are coming again and again?
The lineage that I am initiated into, called Satya by my guru Shantimai, comes out of India. We have one wonderful ashram on the other side of a rail, Satya Baba Ashram. And right now there we reside and just be there together for the Kumbh Mela.
Okay. So now, as I can see that, lots of people have gathered here to have a look of you.
Sure.
Just
to be together.
Yes.
It's not about me.
Yes.
It's about us. It's about everyone. It's about everyone. Because we are Vasudev Katampakam. We're one family. And this is what's important.
Such a beautiful message you are carrying with yourself.
This is God speaking with God.
Amazing. So just give us a brief about your clothes, about your dressing sense, about these flowers, about this makeup.
The more prakash, the more light, the better. The more we can reflect into each other's hearts all of the love that is there, all of the brilliance that is there together. This we do. So this is just what I find the most vibrant and colorful and full of light, and just to be happy with you and rejoice, खुशरो and happiness.
Very nice. So देखिए कि सुरांश हैं, डेनमार्क से आए हैं, 18वीं बार भारत आए हैं और बहुत ही सुंदर पोशाक इन्होंने पहनी है, बहुत ही सुंदर मेकअप इन्होंने किया है। ये कह रहे हैं कि चारों तरफ प्रकाश हो, उजाला हो, वासुदेव कुटुंबकम का ये नारा दे रहे हैं और भारत से बहुत ज़बरदस्त तरीके से इनको लगाव है, प्यार है यहाँ की संस्कृति से, यहाँ की धरोहर से, और संगम में डुबकी लगा के अपने आप को ये बहुत खुशकिस्मत भी मानते हैं। सुनील के साथ शिवांग माथुर, TV9 भारतवर्ष, प्रयागराज, उत्तर प्रदेश।